Sansui 1000. Almost done, except for the cleanup, fine tuning, bias adjustments. There's a few more caps I got to put in here.
Week 104 plays Harrisburg's best music. Here's Ingrid.
Well, of STP's advanced formula in your...
It's auxiliary. Sounds really nice. Both channels, right? That's with a little cheap pair of speakers right now. A lot of capacitors. I'm going to try to point some of them out here. You can see all the... Now the important thing, these capacitors are all metallized polypropylene. These are all coupling caps, all the red ones, of which there are many. These have all been replaced, and then there's about 500,000 electrolytics here. These are all power supply caps. These all down here. These are all put in on the underside. Up here there's 3, 4 more. New voltage doubler rectifiers. More electrolytics down here. More coupling caps. I mean everything. All the electrolytics have to be replaced, and all the oil-filled caps have to be replaced on these things. If you miss any, it's only a failure looking to happen eventually. Most of them are defective and doesn't play that well anyway, but and also critical, which you can see right in this area here. These are the voltage doubler rectifiers. That's one. The other one's buried behind here. There's not much room to work. But all the large filters, such as these here, I see another one back here. Those are all connected here on the bottom side to replace the... Let me try to get a picture of these here. To replace these cans that are left intact here. All these are disconnected underneath, and also one in the front here, and replaced with those individuals. Those capacitors are generally like 4 in 1. And that's it. This is the 1000, not the 1000A. This is the 1000. And it's playing real well. I'm going to run this thing for about 3 more hours minimum. Set the bias, clean the controls for the 3rd, 4th time. They're very difficult to clean. It takes a lot of cleaning. Clean some of the connectors on the back. Run it for 3 or 4 more hours, and then ship it off. Sansui 1000.